Hi everyone, this is Roslyn from LynSire.com, and today I want to share 3 of my favorite DIY toners that they are made with simple ingredients that I'm sure you will probably have already in the kitchen. One toner with roses, one with lemon, and one with vinegar. The great thing about these toners is that they are 100% natural and they're great for your skin to be soft and smooth, and they don't have any harsh or weird ingredients. So I'm sure you'll like at least one of these 3 toners, and they are great to spray on if you're having a hot day and you just want to refresh your face. Just spritz it on and you're good to go. All you will need are a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, a few BPA-free bottles, and your beautiful face. So let's get started. For the first one, we're gonna start with our roses, and we're gonna start taking off the petals. And for this, we're gonna be using filtered water. And we're gonna place it to boil. Once the water is boiling, just turn it off. We're gonna add the rose petals. We're gonna let it simmer in the meantime, so just cover it. For the bottles, I'm gonna be using this set that I got from Marshall's, and they are all BPA free. It comes with 3 open and close cap and the spray bottle, and it also includes a funnel and 1 pump. Once the water has turned pink, then you know the water is ready to be strained. Using a strainer, we're gonna strain our rose water. Using the small funnel from the set, we're gonna pour the water into the bottle. It's all ready. All you have to do now is let it cool down, and you can store it in the fridge for about a week. Squeeze this lemon using this strainer to get just the pure juice. Using a tablespoon, we're gonna apply the lemon juice into our bottle. And for the rest, we're gonna add filtered water. And now this one is ready. For the last toner, we're gonna be using this apple cider vinegar, but just make sure it is raw unfiltered, which is the most natural vinegar out there that you can find. Just shake the bottle a little bit, and we're gonna fill our bottle just in the middle. And using filtered water, we're gonna fill up the bottle. And now our 3 toners are ready to use. Face, all you need is a cotton swab, and you add a few drops. And just apply it. On a hot apply this toner on your face. And you can even apply this on your hair if you like. And it's gonna smell so good. As I said, these toners are so simple to make. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you put them to good use. They're great for any time of the year, but especially now during the summer to freshen up your skin and stay fresh. So thank you for watching and I'll see you until my next video. Bye!